GIMIKWENDENINA, do you remember? GIMIKWENDENINA, do you remember? In Ojibwe I say, for do you remember? GIMIKWENDENINA means do you remember, do you remember? I remember one day, and you and me in the pouring rain, water ran down my chin. So you pulled me close and you drank it in, but I remember your ways, and you and me in a sad embrace, and I remember a place where you pulled me close and you kissed my face. Will I ever see you again? No, I don't think I'll ever see you again. And I remember one night, and the casual fight by candlelight as the room grew dim. You lied to me when you talked about him. I remember your ways, and you and me in a sad embrace, and I remember a place where you pulled me close and you kissed my face. Will I ever see you again? No, I don't think I'll ever see you again. Will I ever see you again? No, I don't think I'll ever see you again.
Oh, I didn't see you there. Nah. BOOZHOO! Welcome back to the show. Welcome back to BOOZHOO, NANABOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. And today, a little bit of history. Michael, today we're gonna do a song about Michael's grandfather running away from the Flandreau Indian boarding school. Isn't that right, Niji? Yep. And so before that, this is a song that Michael wrote about his grandfather, Aubrey Lyons, who was born in 1913, and he went to the Flandreau Indian boarding school when he was a little guy, and he didn't like it, and he ran away 4 times before he finally got away. And he would run away by sneaking out at night with his brother, Ray. And Ray and Aubrey would go down to the tracks there and wait for the train going by. They knew that the train would head north and eventually end up in Bina, Bena, Minnesota. And, you know, these days by car, Flandreau's in South Dakota. And it takes a good 8-hour drive to get there by today's standards. So my Aubrey and Ray, they were going to ride a train all the way back to Bena. So they snuck out and they jumped on that train and they got away. But then at one of the stops, the cops came by and they took them back. 3 times they did this. And each time the cops would find them. And Aubrey would talk about how the hobos, there were these adults that would ride the rails back in them days, looking for work. And they would help the boys. They would share their food and stuff like that. But the cops would come and take them back to Flandreau. So the day came when Aubrey finally just got up and walked out and jumped on a train and rode it back all the way to Bena. And then, as the story goes, he jumps off the train and he walks up to his dad's house. And his dad was raking leaves there, and he goes, "Hey, where did you come from?" And Aubrey says, "Where do you think?" And he never went back. He was only 14 when he escaped from the Flandreau Indian School or whatever. So this is a song that Michael wrote, and I hope you like it. Take it away, Niji. Oh, wait, let me grab the guitar. This song is for my grandfather, Aubrey Lyons, who went to the Flandreau Indian boarding school. I was born in 1913 in the storm of 1913. But then at boarding school, I was nobody's fool. Down at Flandreau, I grew madder every day. That's why I had to run away. 'Cause this is no way to live. I wanna go home. I wanna go home. I wanna go home. But on a fateful day, me and my brother Ray, we planned our getaway. If we can make it to them tracks, we won't be coming back. We're gonna hop a train. I thought we got away, but then the cops came and took us back to a leather strap. But I wanna go home. I wanna go home. I wanna go home. I wanna go. I remember it still. I saw a whippoorwill out on my windowsill. How could I sit still? So I got right up and I walked right out. The teacher said to me, where do you think you're going? Boy, I said I'm going home. I wanna go home. I wanna go home. Niwaki way, Niwaki way, Niwaki way, Niwaki way. And you have been watching BOOZHOO, NANABOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am NANABOOZHOO. This is my Nije, Michael Lyons. And I will see you again. Gigawaba Min. Minawa. Hawa. Oh, that was a really pretty song, Nije. Hey, if you like this video, give us a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Why don't you? No.
Well, there you go. BOOZHOO, everybody. How you doing? Just thought I'd drop in. Can't get enough of playing around with the new green screen technology. You know. So, hi everybody. BOOZHOO. Did you enjoy the story about Michael's grandpa running away from boarding school? It's such a sad song. It made me want to cry. No. Oh, look, Jessica's here. BOOZHOO, Jessica. It looks like I've missed something sentimental. Yeah, you have. Michael and NANABOOZHOO did a song about Michael's grandpa running away from boarding school. And Brandy Marie is here. BOOZHOO, Brandy. Daniel Black is here. He had a brain fart. Okay. Hey, sweetie, Daniel Black is here.
Oh, BOOZHOO, Daniel.
NANABOOZHOO says BOOZHOO. And Jessica, I know, multiple videos in the past few days. Keep them coming. Okay. Got nothing better to do. And it's such a beautiful afternoon. You know. Got a fire in the fireplace. Oh. What more do you want? Sunny day. Yeah, well, that's all we really have for today. Oh, wait, no, we don't. We have an Ojibwe word of the day. Today's Ojibwe word of the day, of course, is, if I can find the graphic, here we go. The Ojibwe phrase of the day, Niwakiwe, Niwakiwe, Niwakiwe. Milwaukee? What? Oh, what'd you say? No, Niwakiwe. I want to go home. I want to go home. And, yeah. Well, I think we're just going enjoy the rest of the afternoon in our cozy cabin here with the snow coming down and the fire in the fireplace. And in any case, just want to say miigwech, gonna wappy egg. Thank you for watching. BOOZHOO, NANABOOZHOO. I am Natasha. This is NANABOOZHOO. This is Michael. And I will see you again tomorrow morning, 6 o'clock. Be there or beware. Gigawabamin, Minawa, Hawa.